Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SMIOne Card. Check balance and transactions step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Search for SMIOne and confirm the app publisher is official before installing. Install the SMIOne app and wait until the download and setup are finished. Open the SMIOne app from your home screen. Select your preferred language if the app asks you at the first launch. On the login screen, tap the option for existing users to sign in. Enter your registered mobile number or user ID exactly as you used during registration. Type your password carefully and double-check for correct uppercase or lowercase letters. Tap the login button and wait a few seconds for the app to verify your details. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset steps with OTP verification. When prompted, allow notification permission so you can receive important account alerts. If the app requests an OTP, check your SMS messages and enter the code before it expires. After login, look for the Home or Account Overview page on the main screen. Find the current available balance displayed near your card or account summary. Tap the card or account tile to open the detailed account page. Locate the Balance section to confirm available balance and, if shown, ledger balance. To view transactions, tap Transactions or Statement from the menu or account page. Choose a date range such as last 7 days, last 30 days, or a custom period. Tap Apply or Search to load the transaction list for the selected dates. Scroll down to review each transaction with amount, date, and description. Tap any transaction to open details like reference number and transaction status. Use the filter options to show only credits, debits, or specific transaction types if available. If you need a record, look for Download, Export, or Email Statement and follow the prompts. For security, do not share your password or OTP with anyone, even if they claim to be support. If you are using a shared phone, always log out after checking your balance and transactions. To log out, open the menu and tap Log Out, then confirm when asked. If you face login errors, update the app, restart your phone, and try again with the correct credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.